Hello YouTube. This is my train display underneath the Christmas tree. It isn't fully decorated yet. But, here, I'll get everything running for you. So the top one, tree's on a milk crate and a piece of wood. You screwed those boards in. Last year my dad made me these supports. But last year there was a bigger board here. So I had that train going in a circle around the board. It was on top of little wooden bricks. And my dad made me these towers. And this train would come under it because it'd come under this one, that one, because it was high up. And come under it, come around here, on the pillars that high up, and then come back around in a circle. But now, since I have a smaller board, I can't really do that. And so me and my dad screwed these thin boards in. I have to use the supports because they're real skinny. I'm gonna have to modify that. But I got my GP9 over there pulling my 9-car boxcar train around the tree with my old CPRL caboose. I have to get one from the club. All my cabooses are at the club right now. So yeah, our tree's not fully decorated. My sister decorated like it, so she put like a camera, paintbrush, sunglasses. There's a hairbrush around here somewhere, but well, I'll get the hired train going first. There he goes. Track flexes when the train goes by. I think there was a passenger car here. And then we'll get this train on. This one has a siding over here with the slip. It didn't have any more straight. My MacBook Pro. And there goes the wire. I got this little tiny Fisher Price throttle with the AC screen on. Gotta pull it at full blast. There's a little dead spot over here. Those two Milwaukee Road box cars. Those two. Me and Mike Weather down the way to Fostoria. See if I can get a shot with all three trains. Oh, there goes that one. And these things are on single screw so I can fold them in when I want to move the tree. Gotta put the tree away. There's the switches. But all Mike has on his layout is a little IML scale train. So I have two of these, I can't find the other one, and I have one more passenger car. If I use these kind of like twist tie things, I can tie the two together, and they run pretty good together, so that's pretty nice about that. I have another big steamy that's got gauge too. Neat. I'll set all 3 trains almost. I did have a sighting for the HO scale one, but for some reason it wouldn't work. I have no clue why. It looks really kind of cool with the double shaft green down there. I might grab my other Jeep from the club and run in here too. And I'm most likely going to have to take all the trains off on Christmas Eve, as I'm going to have nowhere to put the presents. Hey, Dolph. Dolphy. Come here. Dolphy. Hey, Dolphy. Come here. Come on, puppy dog. Oh. I don't know if you guys know, that's a train line engine. If they can be put, you can put a decoder in them. Because I got a VS240-2F. I want to put a decoder in, and I want to put a decoder in this one to run with mine and Mike's with my AC4400CW and Mike's ST40-2, run all 3 dual flag units together. I'm a big fan of the dual flag, so with Mike. We both have dual flag units. I have the ST4400, he has the ST40-2. And now I got this CP9. So we have all 3 units of CP own that were in the dual flag scheme. That's also nice to know. I can get this one decoded and speed max with my other one. I can run on my K9. But yeah, so I'll post a video of if I ever find those engines. That second engine and the extra car. So now I'm going to park them all. You gotta put the camera down. Okay, so both trains are parked over there. And I'm gonna park this one. right over here because there's enough support for it. Okay, so guys, that was the trains are on my tree. If I ever get to Mike's house before Christmas, which hopefully I will. Hopefully going there this weekend. I will get a video of his trains. So yeah, that was the trains are on my layout. Hope you enjoyed. Copyright 2012. Comment, rate, and subscribe.